little lackluster? Need a little colour inspo? Ah, that's better. Here's our guide to the colour trends of 2023, which run the gamut from nostalgic and calming to dark and dystopian. There's a bit of light and shade, if you will. First up, we're taking it back to the 70s with a calm and groovy colour scheme that includes earthy browns, avocado greens, mustard yellows, and harvest golds. Acidic hues. These go way beyond bright, sharp colours. They're so striking, in fact, they might actually hurt your eyes, but in an aesthetically pleasing way. Silver chrome, which can range from a dark or dull tone to a shiny silver metal, gives logos a distorted, moody look. Ecstatic colours are bright and bold, just like acidic hues, but they're also joyful and refreshing, like a fruit salad or a tropical holiday wardrobe. Grab the pink body glitter and the baby blue eyeshadow. Millennial kitsch takes its inspiration from the late 90s and mid-2000s, when brands marketed to tweens with cheerful shades of blue, pink, yellow and green. The dusty reds, pink and grey clay tones of warm Mediterranean are a nod to that island on your holiday bucket list, or that beautiful ceramic studio in Spain that you've been dying to visit. They're gentle, relaxed and warm. Serious and sinister, maybe even revolutionary. Dark sci-fi tones reflect moodier times, with darker shades of brown, blue and grey. Undersaturated earth tones like browns, light greens, gentle yellows and blues are soft and comforting, and often appeal to baby products and sustainable brands. Wrapping up our list is Pantone's colour of the year, Viva Magenta, described as an animated red that revels in pure joy, encouraging self-expression without restraint. We hope you enjoyed this guide to the colour trends of 2023, and if you're inspired to incorporate any of these palettes into your own branding, head to 99 Designs by Vista. We've got a community of designers who are absolutely wizards with the colour wheel. Until next time, see you later.